Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cham Kosnyak. I am here today to talk about a very serious and urgent issue regarding deportation carried out by the US government to South Sudan. Over the last 2 months, a man from the Democratic Republic of Congo was deported to South Sudan by the US authorities. But when he arrived in Juba, the South Sudanese government refused to accept him and send him back. This caused a serious diplomatic confrontation between the government of South Sudan and the United States. Eventually, South Sudan apologized and accepted the man as a South Sudanese citizen and is now back in Juba. This incident shined a harsh light on the flaw and danger of the current deportation system. Deporting someone to a country they do not belong to without proper identification or legal safeguard is not only a violation of international law, but it also puts human life at risk. To give you a clear picture, here is the list of some of the individuals deported to South Sudan by the US government according to official records. Dian Peter Domach, a South Sudanese man convicted of robbery and possession of a firearm, sentenced to 8 years. He also served 18 months for possession of burglar tool and defaced firearm. He was arrested by ICE on May 8, 2024. Number 2, Kyaw from Burma, convicted of lascivious act with a child under 12 years old, sentenced to 10 years but paroled after 4. He was arrested on February 18, 2025. Number 3, Nyo, also from Burma, convicted of first-degree sexual assault involving a mentally and physically incapacitated victim, sentenced to 12 years. He was also charged with aggravated assault and arrested on February 19, 2025. Number 4, Tuan from Vietnam, convicted of first-degree murder and second-degree assault, sentenced to 22 years. He was arrested on May 3, 2025. These individuals were part of a larger group of deportees, including at least 2 non-African nationals who were sent to South Sudan in violation of a U.S. court order. Immigration lawyers have challenged these removals, arguing that some were sent to a country that is not their own and denied a chance to raise claim of fear of persecution or harm. This is not just a legal matter, it is a human rights crisis. Justice is not only about punishment, it is about fairness, dignity, and due process. Deporting someone to a country they do not belong to without proper legal procedures is deeply wrong. Thankfully, a U.S. federal judge has now stepped in, ordering a halt to any further deportation to South Sudan and other third country until all legal issues are fully addressed. This pause is essential, but it is only the beginning. We must hold government accountable, not just in one country, but globally, to ensure that deportations are done fairly, legally, and humanely. No government should treat people as mere numbers or liabilities. Behind every deportation case is a human being with right, fear, and hopes. If we stand silent, injustice will continue. If you care about justice, fairness, and human dignity, please raise your voice, share this message, demand that government respect international laws, and protect all human beings. Thank you for watching and caring. Bye.